What's up, guys? In this video, let's go ahead and talk about the smart artificial intelligence farming. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Apex 1. Link will be in the description of the video. Let me go ahead and start off by telling you what the smart artificial intelligence is. So in its broader sense, artificial intelligence is the self-learning creation algorithms that allow a computer to perform creative functions. And in practice, so AI is designed to routine operations to relieve humans and supplement the human brain capabilities in areas where machines are more efficient at what they do. So this one, the features for the smart farming for Apex 1 are this one. So these are the features, guys, and mind you, these are all clickable. So when you click on the obvious fact, it will tell you more explanation on what that is. So obvious fact, in the modern traditional investment strategies such as investing in real estate, precise metals, and other assets with the stable price growth expectation have already lost their appeal. Sharp price fluctuations or the volatility are inherent in almost all market assets. Only trading mechanisms allow earning effectively in time in a short period. So next one would be limited human capacity, and this is actually one thing that is very good about this one. The human brain allows us to think in abstract images, which provides the broadest creative intellectual perspectives. However, our brain's computational capabilities as well as the ability to accumulate data in large amounts are seriously inferior to those computers. In this case, guys, as you know, artificial intelligence is getting better and better and better. Machine learning is getting better and better. So along with that, making everything as efficient as we can, and then integrating artificial intelligence in terms of decision making as well as earning more has been integrated with Apex 1. So these are all the features. You can go ahead and check all of those out during your available time. The link to this will be in the description of the video. So when you do your own research, make sure to focus on this one as well. So in the trading strategies development, artificial intelligence is becoming unconditionally dominant, and I strongly agree on that one. Who uses the latest developments has advantages in the markets, and it is especially relevant for such a volatile asset as cryptocurrencies. So that is also one of the most important part in terms of artificial intelligence is, crypto is speculative in my honest opinion. I don't know with you guys, but you always have to make sure that you have your tokens in check. Do your technical analysis, check them regularly. That way you would know the price action or the market health, and is it already going bullish? Is it pumping? Is it dumping? Is it dipping, right? If you have artificial intelligence, it will definitely help you out in terms of deciding, okay, so the market price is dipping. Should I start, selling it, or should I buy more or something like that, right? So what do we do? So Apex 1 AI is intellectual team who have taught AI to generate revenue. So we do human and AI. They have data collection. They also have data organization, self-learning, and the trading algorithm. The trading algorithm, in my honest opinion, is one of the most important part to integrate into an artificial intelligence. All right, so next one, how do we create an account with Apex 1? So very, very straightforward, guys. You just have to put in what country you are in. You have to put your email and then your password. Create an account. You should be good to go in just a couple of minutes. You should receive an email or something like that for you to activate the account. Once you have already registered your account, you can sign in. So let me go ahead and just sign out from my account real quick. So you just have to sign in here, put in your email, put in your password, and then click on login. And then just like that, you are logged in. So once you are logged in, guys, just have to go to payments and then wallets. All right. Once you get in to the wallet, you just have to activate which crypto you would like. Say, for example, Ethereum. Click on that plus. Click on activate, and then it will do the rest for you. So once you have this icon, like the greater than bracket. Okay, so it means that you already have that token. So you have the Apex coin right here. So exchange, I have $250 in my account. So let me go ahead and exchange this. All right, so once you are in the payments, you just have to go to bridge and then click on the tether, because that is the one that we have. Okay, so the one that I entered, or the one that I have here in my account right now, is the tether, or USDT. Now I need the Apex token for me to start with the smart artificial intelligence farming. Now what I need to do is you just have to actually click on this and then click on exchange. Once you click on exchange, it will take you to the bridge, and then change this one. Actually, change this to the USDT, because as you can see here, I have the 250 in there. Okay, and then change this to the Apex. So now I want to change my $250 USDT to the Apex coin, which is 0.2796, and let me put in my pin so that I can go on with the exchange. So I just need to put in the amount that I would like to change there. So put in 250 there, put your pin in, and then click on preview. Once you click on preview, it will show you how much of Apex tokens you will receive out of the $250 USDT that I have. So once you're in check with that one, go ahead and click on confirm exchange and wait for that to make the exchange. Now, we already have the Apex. So going to Apex AI, go to Apex SAIF. Just click on that one. And then here, as you can see, I have 885.193.13305 Apex. So I would like to use all of those. All right. Now, the next one would be you need to choose which tokens you would like for this one. All right. So choose smart crypto pairs. You can choose up to 5 currencies. And when you hover your mouse over that, farming borrowed pairs trading from the stock market, where traders pick 2 highly correlated stocks, go long one while sending the other when the pair diverges price. So go ahead and check this one out as well. And then I will actually choose the Binance and the Bitcoin. Then after that, guys, you will choose which exchange for this one. I would like to choose Binance. And after that, finalize everything. You will choose the available periods. How long are you going to do this? So let's say, for example, 40 days. Okay, so click on preview. What it will do, it will actually show you how much your potential ROI would be for this one. Okay, so and in this case, you'll see 4.45 and then FPF. So when you click on this one, it will agree to that. You have your fees here as well, and this is your potential profit. All right, so when you click on I agree, click on start earning, it will start processing everything for you. Okay, so we just wait a couple of seconds or minutes. As you can see, preparing AI cloud cluster. This can take up to a few minutes. Just please wait. Just wait for it. Don't refresh. Don't touch anything. Don't click on anything yet. Just let it do its thing. All right, so just wait for it. Wait it out. So we're done with collecting data for processing transactions, connecting to the cloud server, calculating required configuration params, configure start smart farming, and then finally we are done just like that. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you check them out. And of course, before I even forget, guys, you can also earn from partner program, or this is their referral program. So generate the affiliate links and track their effectiveness directly from your personal account. You have invite new members to the Apex community and increase your income. And then finally, step 3, get rewarded automatically for your partner's financial activity. So you can go ahead and spread the love to your family, your friends that also does trading. That way you could earn out of their trades as well, and then they would also be able to know that there is such thing as a smart artificial intelligence farming. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Click that bell that will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.